Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really trying to cut through the noise. We want to help you sharpen your AI interaction skills.
Yeah.
Especially if you've ever, typed a prompt, hit enter, and then just thought, why? Why did it say that?
Oh yeah, we've all been there, battling that black box feeling with large language models.
Exactly.
So today, yeah, we're diving into the Anthropics prompt and interactive tutorial. You'll find it on GitHub. And this isn't just like another guide, it's a really meticulously crafted resource. It's designed to actually transform how you communicate with AI, specifically with Claude.
Okay, so unlocking the true potential of LLMs then. By becoming, masters of prompt engineering, what's this tutorial really trying to achieve?
Well, it's Anthropic's own step-by-step masterclass, really, built to help you engineer prompts that are genuinely optimal when you're working with Claude. And by optimal, we mean, craft instructions that don't just get the result you want, but do it reliably, respectfully, and crucially, without the model doing weird, unintended things. Claude, it really focuses on nuanced reasoning, and it has these built-in safety guardrails. So it thrives on precision. And this tutorial, it teaches you exactly that precision.
That precision sounds key, especially when you're maybe pushing the limits of what these models can do. So, okay, beyond just giving us a few tricks, what are the sort of core building blocks this tutorial helps you put down?
What I think really stands out is how it demystifies prompt engineering. It makes it less like guesswork, It's not about just throwing keywords in. It's more about understanding maybe the cognitive biases of the LLM itself.
Huh. Interesting.
So first you master the basic structure of a good prompt. Think of it like the scaffolding, right? For talking effectively with an AI. No more just feeling your way around in the dark with prompt design.
That sounds incredibly foundational.
Yeah.
But, I mean, even with a good structure, prompts can still go wrong, can't they?
Yeah.
How does this help you troubleshoot when things inevitably don't work out?
Right. And this is where it gets super practical. The second thing, and this is honestly a game changer, you learn to recognize common failure modes.
Okay.
These are those subtle ways your prompt might just lead the AI astray, like getting really generic answers, or it misunderstands what you actually want, or just goes off on some tangent.
Yeah.
And then, crucially, it teaches you these 80-20 techniques. So identifying the critical 20% of your actions that will fix like 80% of your prompt's problems, it means maximum impact, minimum effort. Finding the shortest path to a powerful prompt, not just, brute forcing it.
Ah, okay. So efficiency in problem solving within the prompt, making us smarter, not just faster at typing. And it's not just reading theory, is it? I heard there's a big interactive part.
Absolutely, yeah. The course is structured into 9 pretty comprehensive chapters. Each one's packed with exercises, all designed for, hands-on practice. You're meant to actually work through it, build your skills as you go.
Makes sense.
And what really sets it apart, I think, is the example playground that's built into each lesson. It's not just a static example. It's this live, interactive environment where you can immediately try out what you're learning.
Oh, cool.
You can see how small tweaks change Claude's output, like right there in real time. You can even troubleshoot your own prompts on the fly.
Yeah.
I actually remember spending ages, like a whole afternoon, trying to get Claude to write dialogue in this very specific fictional style, and it just kept sounding like a chatbot. This tutorial, honestly, in about 10 minutes, showed me the exact structural thing I was missing. Total facepalm moment, but incredibly helpful.
It's almost like learning the secret handshake with the AI then, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what does this really mean for you, the developer listening, in your day-to-day work?
Well, this tutorial just makes it so much easier to grasp Claude's specific strength and, its weaknesses too, in a way you can actually use immediately. And that knowledge is just gold for building robust prompts from scratch, especially for those common, sometimes complex use cases you run into all the time.
Right.
Ultimately, it just makes your interactions with AI way more effective. You're not just like throwing words at the model anymore. You're crafting precise, predictable instructions. It really shifts you from being maybe a frustrated AI user to someone who feels more like an AI architect.
Okay, this sounds essential then. If you're serious about getting the most out of LLMs and really mastering prompt engineering, you absolutely need to check this repository out. We've put the link. It's Anthropic's Prompt-eng-interactive-tutorial on GitHub right there in the description for you.
Yeah, definitely check it out. And hey, if you found this deep dive helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. We're always digging up new tools and knowledge to help you stay ahead of the curve.
Thanks for tuning in to the deep dive. And here's something to think about. If you can really learn to speak the AI's language more effectively, What currently impossible tasks might suddenly become possible for you. We'll catch you on the next one.